Hey guys, so as you probably noticed, my camera quality is a little better, and that is because I have a legit camera and I'm not using my phone. Finally! But today I am going to be doing this really simple fall glam look, and this is kind of like featuring the Rimmel Magnif-eyes Spice Edition. I forget how to say it, but yeah, it's really pretty and the colors are gorgeous, and that's the palette I'll be using on my eyes today. Anyways, I'm sure you guys want to just see the video, so let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to get started with is my primer, which I'm using the AOA Studio Wonder Skin Primer. And this is the illuminating primer, which is really nice. I actually was really surprised that I like it so much, but it's really nice. It's got a really nice tacky feeling to it. So now I'm going to start with the eye. My eyebrows are already done and I already primed my eyelids, and I'm going to be using the Rimmel London Magnif-eyes Spice Edition palette. So I'm going to start by taking oh gosh, everything is falling, a large blending brush, and I'm just taking this shade, the shade right here. So next I'm going to take the shade right here. And then I'm taking my blending brush and blending that. I'm going to be taking this deeper burgundy shade right there. See that this is blending really well. Alright. This shade right here really caught my eye. So that's the shade I'm going to go in with. This shade right here. And I'm using it as a brow bone highlight. And then a corner highlight. And it's super nice. So next I'm going to use this Too Faced glitter, and this is in the shade Glitterly. It was from the Nikki Tutorials palette. So I'm going to just quickly throw on some eyeliner. I'm going to do that off camera and then I will be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I just did my eyeliner. I'm going to be using the Rimmel London Wonderfully Real Mascara. They sent this to me as well with the palette. So I'm just going to this is the first time I'm trying it out. And this is what the wand looks like. If we can, come on, focus. There you go. That's what the wand looks like. So I'm just going to see how it works. Oh. It's super clumpy. I think there's a lot of room for improvement with this mascara. It is so clumpy. I'm gonna use from Pink Lux Beauty. These are the lashes in the style Natural, and these have been my favorites. I've been using them like every single day. These are really good lashes. So I'm just gonna pop those on. Okay, so I threw on some lashes. So now I'm gonna do foundation before I start my lower lash line and doing all the eyeshadow there. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Matte HD foundation, and I'm using my blending sponge from this one from Shop Miss A. It's really good. It's an identical dupe to the Beauty Blender, like the best one. And I have a video talking about it too. I think, do I have a video talking about it? Or did I delete it? I don't really remember. Now I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me concealer and I'm going to conceal under my eyes and on any spots I have. And using the same blender, and blend it out. I'm going to bake underneath my eyes, and while it's baking, I'm gonna do my lower lash mascara and eyeshadow and all that. So I'm just doing. This is from KK Cosmetics. This is like one of the best translucent powders I have ever used. I'm gonna be taking this shade right here in the palette, and I'm gonna be doing my lower lash line with that. Alright. And now I'm going to use this mascara again. I really hope it looks good on my bottom lashes. So I'm going to use it. I'm going to kind of like wipe off excess product on it too and see if that makes a difference. It's almost like there's a little fiber. I don't know. It says it's a keratin, a mascara with keratin. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. Now I'm gonna dust away the bake that's in my eyes. Okay, so my camera cut off while I was talking, but my under eyes look really smooth. They look really good thanks to that powder. Okay, so I'm gonna do my bronzer now. I'm using my Benefit Hoola bronzer, which is my favorite bronzer. I have like 5,000 of them just laying around my room. And I'm going to be using this brush to do it. I don't know. I just grab random brushes. So for blush, I'm going to use Benefit Gold Rush, which is, looks like, so this is the packaging, and this is what the blush looks like. It's really a pretty color. It's very subtle. I can't notice it most of the time, and then they were trying to say that it's a highlighter, and I was like, I thought it was a blush. But it's more of a blush for me, so I'm just gonna put it on there. Now, my favorite part, we're gonna highlight. So this is a little tiny guy from a brand called I Am Green Minded. They have a lot of different highlighters and eyeshadows and things like that. This is in the golden strobing powder, and this has been like, I've been wearing this like every day, even though I only have it in this small little sample jar kind of situation. It is so nice. Look at that. Look at how blinding it is. So last but not least, we're doing lips. So this is like the 4th time my camera is cut off, but I just put on the lipstick and I think it really pulled the whole look together. I'm really happy with how this look came out. Yeah, I hope you guys liked. Make sure to leave a comment, subscribe, leave a like or 2 or 3. And yeah, I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Talk to you later. Bye.